was the guy that was Monk Boswell with Henry Jones Sr. Sean Connery. I can do a voice for J.T. King. Hello, Money Penny.
Hello, Money Penny.
Oh my God, that was,
Let me undo that bow and get to know you. Well, you can't just put somebody on the spot like that.
Yeah, I hate it. Okay, we're gonna open this bad boy up with style. It's called Disabled from Boxing. Yeah. Okay, I hope you want to keep the box, buddy.
Well, you know, I think he's a Scottish lord, isn't he?
He was?
He was. Well, he's passed away.
Yeah.
Force him out.
Yes. In your box. Here's Sean. If you want to make a bond, you can. Here's how I put that together. The Grail. And the Cup of Christ.
Yeah. The Grail, is it?
Don't cross the steel. We already talked about the packaging with the little map and stuff, so we're not going to get into that. But this is the umbrella that they taped and wrapped, so it's almost impossible to get out of it. Yo, fuck boy. And all the little goodies.
Ooh, look at that.
There's a little bag, there's a little hat, with the glasses, those grill daddy, thing for the art, that's the art.
Yeah, the Build-A-Figure
What
Grail.
is that, a shelf? Or,
Yeah, it's the artifact table.
yeah, over here with fire, here's the
Fake Grail.
goblets. Who came with it?
The knight.
Knight.
The knight came
Yeah.
with the Grail.
And then you was the girl. That's right. Alright, here we go. Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. How's that likeness?
They did a really good job.
Yeah, you give it a little bit of black wash, maybe.
Maybe give him a little dirty.
Give it a little marine line. Let's see what you look like with. I know some people like to glue the glasses on because they do fall off pretty easy. So we'll try to put these on, which I would glue it. Want to try to put these on right on camera. Yeah.
Oh, they have to like sit on the
Yeah,
ears.
I would totally glue it. There we go.
No, we don't want to lose them.
I hate you. Okay, so they don't fall off. By when people here abuse disabled people, as you just saw.
He's soft if you punch him really hard.
Yes. There's a hat. It'd be cool if a bag opened.
That would be neat.
It'd be pretty. It'd be cool if an umbrella would go like in a movie. It does. Oh, it does. Oh.
Does it? Really?
Yes.
That's
Boom.
awesome.
It has little pegs.
Junior.
Yeah. Henry Jones Jr. We named the dog Indiana.
Yeah, say, we named the dog Indiana.
So there you go. There it is. Henry Jones Sr. with all his stuff. That's right. So, I'm 5. I'm giving her a 5 because Sean Connery, great character. I love it. Has a lot of accessories. I like it. It's cool. I'm not worried about the portability because he's an old man. he doesn't need to post. So that's my take. What about you, TT?
I give it the same thing. It's a 5 just because it's Sean Connery.
And what you got, buddy?
5.
Why?
Pretty good figure. We got Indiana Jones on right now.
Yes, we do. So, there you have it. 5 requests support. What do you guys think? Do you have it? Do you like it? Tell me below. Comment, like, subscribe. Till next time, happy hunting and remember the beard.